Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by launching the widget switcher and making sure it's current. This prevents conflicts. Once done, open it with the known hotkey or the toolbar icon so you're in the right workspace. You should also save your existing layout or export a profile now, because reverting is far easier than rebuilding. Make sure you understand which widgets are active and which are locked, since that determines what you can move or replace in the next step. Now you'll rearrange and configure individual widgets, drag them into target zones, and use Snap or Grid to align precisely. While doing that, open each widget settings to set refresh rate, data source, and size in % or pixels so displays remain consistent. Once your layout looks right, group related widgets into a tab or profile. This lets you switch full sets with one command. If performance slows, reduce refresh frequency before trimming widgets to maintain responsiveness. Finish by saving the layout as a named profile and immediately test switching between profiles so you confirm behavior. Once satisfied, lock or pin the widgets you don't want shifted, which prevents accidental changes during use. If something goes wrong, reload the profile or clear the switcher cache to remove stale state. If that fails, restore your previously exported backup. By saving incremental profiles and testing switches,
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.